Welcome to Travel Planet. For those of you who didn't know, the sisters from Keeping It Real actually come from London in England. But for our first destination, I'm actually going to take you to somewhere that's not too far from home. I'm going to be taking you to Rossley Bay in Wales. Come on, let's go. Who would have thought that this was in the UK? This place has so much to offer. It's got clean beaches, it's got beautiful countryside, it's got lovely fresh air. Come on, let's go to the beach. You know what, we're on the beach now. It's the most beautiful place. I've been to the Caribbean and there's an element of this that feels like I'm there because you've got the sunshine, you've got the white sand and you've got the blue water. You know, it's a great place for reflection as well. I think whenever you're by the sea, it just makes you feel very calm and it's quite therapeutic. But the salt water has properties as well when you kind of bathe in it. We are still in Wales, and just to show you the versatility of Wales itself, we're standing behind, I think it's about an 80-foot waterfall in the middle of nowhere, and it's just us, and it's so beautiful, so calm and so serene. This is Wales! Well, we've been to the beach this morning, we've been to the waterfalls in the afternoon, and now we're back to watch the sunset. What more can you want from one destination? Okay, you know what? I'm going to ask you probably one of the most difficult questions, but everybody wants to know. How easy is it to get a six-pack?
Getting a six-pack is not that easy. It takes a number of things. First of all, a lot of people fall into the trap of thinking that they can sit there and do like 101, 102 sit-ups or crunches to work on their abs, and that's going to melt the fat away. I've heard all sorts of things like melting fat away, turning the fat into muscle. You have to remember they're two separate things and you can't turn one into the other. You have to get rid of fat and then of course you're going to start to see your abdominal muscles.
Okay.
We all have a six-pack. It's just if your six-pack's being covered by lots of fat, then essentially that's what needs to go.
Okay.
It's the fat.
And I know that a lot of people, you know, maybe they're slim in other areas, but they've got a bit of a belly.
Yeah.
You know, so...
Well, yeah, that's because your body is storing the fat in that chosen place.
So how do you get rid of that fat?
Okay.